Hello students, how are you? Weekly trading levels are ready by the grace of God and I am presenting over here. Last week, silver cut trend decider was 72,190 and the final target was 74,719. And how powerfully it worked as a resistance. Once it managed to breach this level 74,719, but as it corrected back for many hours, faced the resistance at the same level of 74,719. Gold performed like a rock. 59,600 was the trend decider and the final target was 61,162. High was formed at 61,182 and from there it corrected to 60,400 or so. It worked very well, gold as well as silver. Not even that, crude also managed to close at the final resistance. So it was very interesting. Tata Motor was also very close to the final target. I hope the levels for this week may also work very well. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading, happy investing to all my students.